Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is extremely clearly at 1, 2, and this is still all a wave 3. We are approaching the previous high, so I think this 223.6 area, which is actually right around the 168, maybe 168.5, is going to be the area where this potentially starts a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this last section of trend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame definitely still in a wave 3 in my eyes. It could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So we may be getting close to the end of this. I still think it needs to go up to the 223 area, which like I said is around the 68, before we start a big wave 4 correction and probably eventually back up for a wave 5. You have to keep in mind this is the weekly and the monthly, so this is potentially going to take, anywhere from 6 months to maybe a year and a half for this pattern to completely play out. Going down to the daily time frame, I think it's extremely clear. We had a nice end of an ABC correction, and I think this is 1, 2, 3. I think it's going to go up to the 223 area. We do have some JPY news coming out, some very important JPY, CPI, and interest rate news coming out tonight. I'm not really convinced it's going to turn down. I think it's going to continue up at least to that 168 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, just like I said, I think this is a 1 and a 2. So that means that we're in a wave 3. Most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8. So I would be watching that 161.8 area right around the 167 for a potential pullback. And then another push up for the wave 5. So I think it's going to end up looking something like this just to finish off that trend. Probably ending the wave 3 around the 161, making a wave 4, and eventually going back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, you definitely want to be cautious. Like I said, we have some very important news coming out tonight. So that is going to probably cause some major volatility on the yen pairs. It might even cause like a big spike reversal. The yen definitely does have a tendency to do those big spike reversal patterns. But for me, I still think the 161.8 is very likely to finish off a wave 3. Then I think it's going to go down, make a pretty good sized wave 4, and then back up for a wave 5, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 is what I expect to see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by joining at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.